In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to drive.google.com. Make sure you are already signed into your Google account so you can access your files. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, locate the image you want to rotate. Double-click the image file to open the preview window. At the top center of the black preview bar, click the Open with drop-down menu. From the list, select Photo Editor. If you do not see Photo Editor in the available apps, click Connect More Apps first. The Google Workspace Marketplace window will appear. In the search bar, type Photo Editor and press Enter. Find a compatible Photo Editor app from the results, then click Install. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your Google account. Once the installation is complete, return to your image preview and open the image again using Photo Editor. If prompted, allow the requested permissions so the editing workspace can fully load after the image opens inside the editor. Move to the left sidebar and select your image if it is not already highlighted. Now look for the rotate right or rotate left icons in the toolbar area. Choose the rotation direction based on how you want the image to appear. Click Rotate Right if you want to turn the image clockwise, or click Rotate Left if you want to rotate it counterclockwise. You can click the rotate buttons multiple times until the image reaches the exact orientation you want. Once you are satisfied with the rotation, move to the upper left corner of the editor window and click the Save to Google Drive button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you want to overwrite the original image file. Click Save again to confirm the changes. The editor will now upload and replace the existing image with the newly rotated version in your Google Drive. After the save process finishes, go back to your Google Drive tab and locate the same image file again. Double-click the image to open the preview window once more. You should now see that the image has been successfully rotated based on your preferred orientation. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.